Hello, welcome back to Sabtech Online. Today I'm going to take you through how you create a deadline tracker in Excel. So assuming that you already have your tasks, you have your due dates all created in a table like this. You have the notes that correspond to the different tasks, and the challenge now is to create a column that will always show you how many days left. Then on top of that, you'll realize that if it is today, it is in blue, the days that are past are in red, the days that are remaining are in green. How do you do that? Very simple. Stay on this video up to the end. It is a simple trick that you can always use. So how do we do this? In case I change this date, let's say I change the month to March, it will automatically calculate this to 31 days overdue. If I change this to July, it will automatically calculate that 91 days remaining, and it automatically changes this to green. If you want to do this to your trackers, please stay on this video, like, subscribe, and leave us a comment in case it plays the purpose. So let's switch to our session deck. Now, the first thing here you'll do is, how do we get the days left between the due date? This is equal to the due date always minus the today function. So today function, it is today, open parenthesis and close without putting anything. That's the today function. So the moment I enter, it will give me this. Don't worry, we are going to change that. So select all the columns you want to change format. Press a Ctrl 1 or just go to Home, then look out for more numbers. So you either do that way to get the format cells, or you press a Ctrl 1 on your keyboard. So the moment you press a Ctrl 1, you go to Custom, then we are going to change the journal and you include this format, and we'll explain this format. Now this format means that we are going to use color 10, that is always green, for days remaining, making sure that between journal you leave a space such that there is a space between your calculation and the word days remaining. Then we shall use red for days overdue, then we shall use blue elsewhere. Now else, that is a 0. In case you get a 0, that will be the today. So let's go ahead and okay this. It will automatically change the format to 29 days remaining. Go ahead and fill this up to the bottom. The shortcut of filling in Excel, if you've selected all your columns you want to fill, you do a Ctrl D, it will fill that. Someone else may use it simply by dragging the fill handle to fill that. So the moment I change this, let's say to 2025, it automatically changes to 24 days remaining. If I change this to today, of which today being 8th of, let's say if we change this to 8th of April, it will automatically show you that that is today. So that is it. Very simple. Use it in your trackers. If you're a product manager, please go ahead and subscribe. Then we can always share with you such Excel tricks. Bye bye. Meet you in the next video.